Okay, so here we are at video production. In Activity 5, you learned how to use the teleprompter with the script that you made in Activities 3 and 4. So now we're ready to actually record things. And hopefully your teacher has helped you to get into wevideo and set it up. And what you're going to want to do is create a blank project. I actually had one going here, so I've already named it, but you might want to name it, Susie and Sally's newscast or something like that. When you start editing, it gives you pretty much a blank timeline down here, okay? And what we need to do is get some video into our media, which is this folder right here. Now, we can import that, but in our case, what we're going to do is actually record it right into there. So if I click on this red button, which looks like a record button, and then I click here on webcam. Now, I can't do that because I'm recording the screen right now to make this tutorial for you. When you click on this one here that says webcam, it'll give you the option of checking the camera and the microphone, which it should automatically go to the right one. And when you hit record, it'll record, and you'll have a little screen. It'll count you down, and you'll click back into the teleprompter, rather over here. Hit the space bar and read your stuff. When you're done, you'll go back in and stop that recording, okay? And then there we go. It should, if I kill this box here, you can see these little green screen things with my big bald head. And those are things I just did a few minutes ago doing that exact process. So clicking here and saying webcam, and you should be able to use the microphone. Now what I would do would be to record one and then play it back just to make sure that the microphone works. And once they're here, you can either play them. Check, 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 check. Copy, stop. So you could hear there was sound on that one, so it actually worked. And if I was going to then populate my timeline down here with these things, I would click and drag them down onto my video 2 line. So my advice to you is to record all 8 of your segments, get them here in your My Media section. Now My Media, I've got tons of videos here just because I'm me and I've done a lot of video editing. You might not have a whole lot of things, but once they're here under that folder, you can drag them right down into your timeline lickety-split. Okay. If you have questions, see your teacher, but the idea is click on that button, use the webcam, and try a few trial recordings, listen to make sure they work, and then pretty soon you'll be making your final newscast. Good luck.